Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampore. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar and I welcome you all in this a new session, guys, what we have planned for you based on non-stop maths. This is going to happen one day a week. This is going to happen one day a week where we are doing non-stop mathematics question as they appear in the examination. All kind of questions will come, easy, moderate, tricky, whatever. Real life feel, real exam feel, guys. Hello Charlie, hello Putin, hello Harika, very good evening. Real life feel, guys. As they comes in the examination, exactly I will take the questions. Non-stop maths, with the name of non-stop maths. Like fadafat doing the questions. So please do share the sessions with your friends as well so that they can also join. And now this time you have to do the good sharing, huge sharing, guys. You have to do the huge sharings across your friends so that they can join the sessions. Non-stop fadafat maths. Okay, so let's begin. Let's begin, guys. Good evening, Shrivani. Fadafat maths. Do it. I think we have done this category of question in the just before it, just the session in the before it, yeah. P for Putin, H for Harika, S for Shrivani. Please do the sharings, guys. Do the huge sharings. Do the huge sharings. Assume the efficiency of B as 100. Assume the efficiency of B as 100. A is 40 more, so 140. And C is 20% less than B, so 80. So efficiency of ABC is in the ratio 7:5:4. Efficiency of ABC is in the ratio 7:4. Efficiency of ABC is in the ratio 7:4. Working together, they can do the work in 20 hours. They can do the work in 20 hours. So working together, their efficiency 12 plus 4, 16. 16 into 20. So work is 320. Work is 320. Fadafat maths, okay? So if you have to do 35% of this work, so what is 35%? 35% is 7 by 20. 7 by 20 of 320. This is 16 into 7. This is 16 into 7. Who will do this work? Who will do this work? A. So 16 into 7 work with the efficiency of A. What is the efficiency of A? 7. Will take 16 days. Will take 16 days. Is it perfectly clear? Come on, guys. Please do the sharings of the sessions. Please do the sharings of the sessions. So that our this new Fadafat Maths series is going to be great. Here every day we are going to deal with one subject in a Fadafat manner. Good. Next. Two discounts, 20%, 16%. What is the mug price? Real life feel, real exam feel, real exam feel. Exactly the examinations happens on this pattern. SP over MP. SP over MP is like whatever is the discount. First discount is 20%. So discount of 1 over 5. So after first discount, it will remain 4 by 5. After first discount, SP will remain 4 by 5 of MP. Second discount is 16%. 16%, guys, we are only taking discount of 16 over 100. So it will remain 84 over 100. Can you think like this? Can you think like this? You can take this as 80 upon 100 as well. You can take this as 80 upon 100 as well, but then you have to simplify it, so no worries. SP is known 1680 upon MP. What you want to find out is 4 into 84 upon 5 into 100. Why I'm getting a feeling that this is double? 24 will cancel out 25 times. So MP is 5 into 5, 20 into 100, 2500. Any doubts, please do ask. Any doubts, please do ask. Clear? Clear? Got the method? Pretty clear. Each and everything very, very clear. 2500 is the answer. First discount of 1 over 5. So SP is 4 by 5. Second discount of 16 over 100. So selling price is 84 over 100. Okay. So it is 16 over 100. Let's move on to the next question. Come on, do it. Fadafat. Sine is equal to cos when angles are complementary. Sine is equal to cos when angles are complementary. Complementary means their sum should be equal to 90 degree. What do you mean by complementary? Complementary means their sum should be equal to 90 degree. So 2 theta is equal to 40, theta is 20 degree. Sine is equal to cos when the angles are complementary. What do you mean by complementary? Complementary means their sum should be equal to 90 degree. So, if sin A is equal to cos B, similarly, if tan A is equal to cot B, similarly, if sec A is equal to cosec B, then you will say that A plus B is 90. You will say that A plus B is 90. Complementary pairs, yeah. Complementary pairs. They are complementary pairs of each other. They are complementary pairs of each other. Let's move on to the next question. Fadafat. This will help you a lot. These sessions, guys, which I will take it once a day. These sessions which I will take once a week will be the very helpful sessions. Complementary, guys. 62, 28 are complementary of each other. So cot can be converted to 10. Cot can be converted to 10. Just told in the previous question. Sin 30 1 by 2. So cosec 30 2. Tan 60 root 3 ka square. Guys, what is the identity? Sec square theta minus tan square theta or tan square theta minus sec square theta? The correct identity is sec square theta minus tan square theta. So tan square theta minus sec square theta is like negative of the identity. So minus sec square 28 minus tan square 28. This is plus 4 plus 3. Minus 1 plus 4 plus 3. The answer is 6. Perfect. Perfect. Mr. Putin, you done that error which I was referring to. Mr. Putin, you have done that error which I am thinking that you should not be doing it. Because it is negative of the identity. Sec square theta minus tan square theta. And sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So minus 1 plus. Clear? Clear? Well done. Well done. Let's move on. Oh, quite a good question coming. Randomly. Questions will come randomly, guys. No planning whatsoever. Even I would have not seen the questions. Questions will come randomly. No planning, guys. Easy can come, tricky can come, moderate can come. You have to decide it by yourself and have to do it. Randoms. Both are sold for the same selling price. Whenever the two articles are sold for the same selling price, there is a formula for overall percentage calculation. There is a formula for overall profit loss percentage calculation. That is 100x plus y plus 2xy upon 200 plus x plus y. Yes, it's complicated, but it's a gem. It's complicated, but it's a gem. Gem means best in the world. Yeah. Directly put the values. One is 16% profit plus 16. Another is 12% loss minus 12. One is 16% profit minus 12 upon 200 plus 16 minus 12. 400 plus 32 into minus 12 divide by 200 plus 4. Okay, what is 32 into minus 12? What is 32 into minus 12? 320 plus 64. 320 plus 64, 384. (16 by 204). That is exactly the percentage, bacha. You don't need to multiply it by 100 to convert into percentage. You don't need to multiply by 100 to convert into percentage. That is automatically in the percentage. Guys, it is less than 0.1% as well. Because if you go one decimal below, if you go one decimal back, even the denominator is greater than the numerator. If you go one decimal back, still the numerator is less than denominator, less than 0.1%. Less than 0.1%. If you go one decimal back as well, you know, this is 200, this is only 16. You can approximate as well. You can approximate as well. So it will come 8 by 100, 8 by 100, that is 0.08%. If I approximate 204 as 200, then I will get 0.08% as the overall profit. Got it? Got it? If I approximate 204 as 200, then you will get the answer as 0.08% profit. Great. Keep it up. Let's move on. I know this is the usefulness of this session, that one question is coming from somewhere and another is coming from somewhere. One question is coming from somewhere and another is coming from somewhere else. So the repetition of things, the revision of the things is what we are looking for. No need to see the multiple because I think most of them are multiple. 6 minus 6 multiple, 11 multiple, 5 minus 5 multiple. So multiples won't help. Multiples won't help. The formula will help. The formula for the volume of frustum is 1 by 3 pi h r square plus r square plus r into r. Multiples won't help over here. So if you are in any kind of galatfahmi, that all questions can be done with multiples, no. 1 by 3 pi 22 by 7, height is 21, r square plus r square. Bigger radius 5, 5 ka square 25. Smaller radius 4, 4 ka square 16 plus 5 into 4. 21, 21 simplified 22. So this is 41 plus 20, 61. 61 into 22. Looking like more than 1200. Looking like more than 1200. (16 to 20). Even 16 to 20 will go beyond. Even 60 into 20 will go beyond 1200. Even 60 into 20 will go beyond 1200. So 61 into 22 will be definitely beyond 1200. So the answer is this, and the unit digit of 2 as well, which is over here. Enjoying, guys? Enjoying this session? Variety? Someone from here, someone from there. This huge variety is coming. Okay, let's move on. Write down all the important things, guys, whatever comes your way. Write down all the important things, whatever comes your way. Your problem solving will become huge, guys, after these sessions. Your problem solving will increase tremendously after these sessions. Average of the girls 54. Average of boys 46. Girls are 45%. So boys are 55% remaining. So boys are 55% remaining. Only the ratio of the quantity is required. 9:11. Only the ratio of the quantity is required. 9:11. Now, what is this difference? Difference of 8. Divide among 18. This is one of the way. Divide difference of 8 in 18. Divide the difference of 8 in 18. So how can we divide it? Any one value will work. Any one value will work. So value of 11 is 11 over 18 of 11 over 18 of 8. 4, 9. 44 by 9. 44 by 9, which is about approximately 5. So this value is approximately 5. अब approx में भी थोड़ा ध्यान देना. Approx में भी थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना. Okay. So 5. It was approximately, bachcha, it was approximately 9 4 ja 36, then 80, 9 9 ja 81, 4.9. So I'm taking it as 4.9. Now this is the largest value. Largest value minus the average value should be equal to 4.9. Largest value minus the value what you are being looking for should be equal to 4.9. So can I say the value we are looking for is 54 minus 4.9, that is if you subtract 5, 49.1. क्या हुआ? What happened? 9 4 ja 36, 9 9 ja 81. If I subtract 5, it will become 49.1. First do it by complete. First do it by complete. Then we will see why it is happening. 9 and 11. Acha, this was 20. Oh. This was 20. So deviation of 8 needed to be divided in the 20. So value of 11 is 11 by 20. This is 20, bacha. 11 by 20 of 8. So 4 2 ja, 4 5 ja. So it is 22 by 5. 22 by 5 is 4.4. So value of 11 is 4.4. Value of 11 is 4.4. So your answer is 54 minus 4.4. That is 49.6. Just see out. Just see out. It was 12. The sum was 12. The sum was 20. So divide the difference of 8. Divide the difference of 8 in 20 and find out the value of any one of these, that is 11. 4.4. So what should be subtracted from 54 so that you will get 4.4? So 54 minus 4.4, 49.6. Cool. Great. Great. I'm good, Senate. Yeah, even Charlie has taken the slower value. Even Charlie has taken the smaller value, because in the smaller value there is always a addition. Because in the smaller value there is always a addition. So like you can take 46, then the deviation of 8, and Find out the value which is opposite to the smaller value. Find out the value which is opposite to the smaller value. So that is 9 and total is 20. This is also you can follow, bacha. 46 plus 18 by 5, which is about 46 plus 3.6, 49.6. So this is about, guys, making some observations that always move with the smaller value, because addition is more easy than subtraction. Because addition is more easy than subtraction. Clear? Clear? Yeah, Benjamin. Addition is more easy than subtraction. Clear, bacha? Perfect. फटाफट 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 फटाफट. Divisible by 72, divisible by 8 and 9, divisible by 8 and 9 both, divisible by 8 and 9 both. For 8 last 3 digit, for 8 last 3 digit. 8 9 ja 72, 8 9 ja 72. 1 is the carry, 1. What is the number in the line of 10? What is the number in the line of 10 which is a multiple of 8? 16. So y is 6. Y is 6. Okay, so answer should be greater than 6. Answer should be greater than 6. 4, x, 5, 7, 3 and y is 6. Now this number should be divisible by 9 as well. Now this number should be divisible by 9 as well. For 9, we avoid 9. For 9, we avoid 9. What should we add it to make it a multiple of 9? What should we add it to make it a multiple of 9? I think 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2. So x should be 2. 7 plus 2 is 9 and 9 is a multiple of 9. So x is coming out to be 2. What is x plus y? X plus y is 2 plus 6, 8. Clear? Please quickly like and share the sessions, guys. Please quickly like and share the sessions. Yeah. Do it fast. Let's move on. Fatafat. Fatafat. In calculating AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC, in calculating AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC, you can always check a multiple of A plus B plus C. You can always check a multiple of A plus B plus C, which is 6. You can always check a multiple of A plus B plus C, which is 6. 12, 34, no. 12, 28, no. 12, 40, no. 12, 24, yes. Multiple of 6. In calculating the AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC, you should first check the multiple of A plus B plus C, which is 6. Only multiple of A plus B plus C is 144. However, what is the complete way? I'm not discussing it now. I might have taken a lot of algebra sessions. Yeah, I would have taken a lot of algebra sessions. This is the Fatafat session. Fatafat session is about only discussing the question, not anything related to it. Because for the concepts and all these, there are other sessions running parallelly. Fatafat means just do the question in the best possible way and move ahead. Fatafat session means just do the question in the best possible way and move ahead. Okay. Next. This is our guys example official app. What we have designed with a lot of hard work, so that you can get all the things which you require for a competitive examination at a single place, consisting of quizzes, consisting of job alerts, previous year PDF with solutions, live test, current affairs daily, weekly, monthly on the same app, study material free of cost, free courses free of cost. Only the paid course which we are running as of now, CGL Bilingual, is a very cheap cost, is a very cheap course. Other than this, all are freely available. Other than that, all are freely available. You might be doing this CISI difference question after a lot of time. You might be doing this CISI difference question after a long time. Difference between SI and CI for 2 years. Difference between SI and CI for 2 years is D over P R over 100 ka whole square for 2 years. Difference is 45. Principal they are asking. Rate is 7.5. Divide by 100. 2 years so square. 25 3 times. 25 4 times. 3 ka square 9. 40 ka square 40 into 40. Principal is 1600 into 5. 8000. Fatafat maths. So for 2 years, the difference between SI and CI is, for 2 years, the difference between SI and CI is D over P R over 100 ka whole square. For 3 years, it is this. So guys, whatever the questions we are doing in this class is exactly live. Live means you are doing it live, I am doing it live. Means like bilkul, all are fresh. You are seeing it live, I am seeing it live, and just we are doing it together. Just we are doing it together. That is the bonding. That's the bonding. Only thing is, I'm like giving some extra information with the questions as well. Similarity. If area is in the ratio 1:4, side is going to be in the ratio under root 1 under root 4. 1:2. Side is going to be in the ratio under root 1 under root 2. They are asking AC. Okay, what is the cap? Put a cap over AC. So for AC, what is required? PQ. For AC, what is required? PQ. Yeah. So I would be saying that AC and PQ would be in the ratio 1:2. Okay, what is PQ given? What is PQ given? Not required, not required. PQ given 4. 2 is given as 4. So 1 is equal to 2. AC is 2. फटाफट. Clear? Clear? Let's move on to the next question. G is not the median. Yeah, G is not the centroid. G is not the centroid. G is any point. However, AD is the median. However, AD is the median. However, AD is the median. G is any point. So AG and GD is in the ratio 3:4. What is the area of BGD? What is the area of BGD to ABC? What is the area of BGD to ABC? Guys, there is a property that if the two triangles are made on the same base, if the two triangles are made on the same base, these two triangles are made on the same base, then their area is in the proportion of their base. Then the area is in the proportion of their base. So, area for this BGD is going to be 4 and area for this ADG is going to be 3. In the proportion of their base, bacha. In the proportion of their base. So, on one side of median, if the total area is 7, then on the another side of the median, the total area is again going to be 7. Why? Because median divide the triangle into two equal parts. Because median divide the triangle into two equal parts. So BGD is 4 and ABC is 7, 7, 14. Fadafat. All the properties clear? What I said first, if two triangles are made on the same base, then their area is in the proportion of their base. So, if their base are 3 and 4, their area are also 3 and 4 because they are made on the same base. Now, this is the median. Median divide the triangle into two equal parts. So, if area of the left part is 7, then area of the right part is also 7. So, total area is 14. So, total area is 14 and BGD is 4. Great. Come on, do see it. Let's move on. Non-stop maths. Putin, it's there. Not too much. 2 or 3 kilometers only. This is minus. And this is plus. You never know what is the next question. Even I don't know what is the next question. It's about developing a problem solving skills. It is about drawing up problem solving skill. From minus, squaring it once, squaring it one, it will become root 6 ka square plus 2. Because if you make from minus to plus, no, then it is quite far. So x plus 1 upon x is 8. And from plus, if you again do the squaring, then it is a square minus 2. And after plus, if you do it squaring again, then it is a square minus 2. From minus, if you will square it and make it plus, from minus, if you square it and make it plus, it will become plus 2. And from plus, if you find out the x square plus 1 upon x square by squaring, it is a square minus 2. Okay? Not as of now, Puneet. Putin. Okay. Let's move on. Quite an advance coming, guys. Random, purely random. Whatever can come. Yeah, Charlie. Two chords produce to a point P. AB and CD. I am maintaining the order. Good evening, Tuhin. So good to see you over here. Byju's was the past. Example is the present. Yeah. So now we are working really hard over this platform. Day in, day out. If you check the sessions, they are happening day in, day out, throughout. AB is 6. PB is 5. PD is 4. Okay. You know that PA into PB is equal to PC into PD, the second formula. PA is 11. PB is 5. PD is 4. And PC is 4 plus X. And PC is 4 plus X. Okay. So 55 by 4 is equal to 4 plus X. It is becoming 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. 13.75 minus 4 is X. So X is 9.75. So X is 9.75. Well done, Shrivani, Harika, Charlie and Tuhin. And Mr. Putin as well. So PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. I haven't thought, guys, that this session will be so helpful. And I'm feeling it so. because I'm doing the live problem solving, and you are also doing the live problem solving. I know how much impact it create if one question is coming from here and another is coming from there. Yeah, it creates a huge impact, isn't it? Next. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular base is 5. Obviously, there is no quadrant mentioned. So answer should be positive. Go for it. Sine 12 by 13, cos 5 by 13, tan 12 by 5 can come negative. Don't be prejudiced. Yeah, don't be prejudiced, because there is something in the minus as well. Don't be prejudiced, guys. It can come. 17 by 13 minus 12 by 5. 65. 85 minus 156. So 6 minus 5, 1, minus 71 by 65. It was also looking that this is only 1 point something and this is 2 point something. So negative answer. Even if you don't solve it completely, then also it is visible that this will be somewhat around 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. And this is 2.2, 2.4. So negative is the answer. Only option number C. Wow. Board mass. After a long time, we are doing the board mass, guys. Could you believe this? We are doing a board mass. Fadafat maths. Okay, if the divide and multiplication are adjacent to each other, convert both of them into multiplication. So take the inverse of it. If the divide and multiplication are adjacent to each other, make it positive. Minus 5 into 3, again adjacent, divide by 0.05 plus 3. This is a cool trick, bacha, that if divide and multiplication are adjacent to each other, do these modifications. 2 decimals in the numerator, 2 decimals in the denominator will cancel out each other. 7.2 plus क्या किया? Okay, let's see. So, these two decimals will come over here, 100. So, it is minus 300 plus 3. So, answer is something in 200 negative. Answer is something in 200 negative. Hello, Betamola. 21.2 plus 3 minus 300. 24.2 minus 300. It is 275.8. Got it? Should I repeat it or what? Whenever the multiplication and divide are adjacent to each other, just convert both of them into inverse. Oh, how are you aware? Chalo, thank you very much. It's a true fact. And it's been a hard day. Yeah. I think you have taken the help of maybe Facebook. Okay. So thank you very much, Madhuri. Okay. Let's move on. Thank you, Charlie. Thank you, Harika. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys. God bless you all. Harika, Charlie. Thank you, Mr. Putin. C ratio B 5:6. B ratio C is 6:5. Thank you very much, Srivani. Look where B ratio C is in the ratio 6:5. Look where B ratio C is in the ratio 6:5. Not here. Here, yes. Here, no, yeah, it's 5:6. Here, no, answer. Gone. C ratio B is 5:6. So B ratio C, it should be in the ratio 6:5. It is obviously B should be greater than C should be smaller. At least we can observe this, that B should be greater, C should be smaller. Here B is smaller, gone. Here B is smaller, gone. Here B is smaller, gone. Only one option possible. Only one option possible. Clear? Let's move on. So, I will take up this later on. Let's do few more questions. Then we will discuss about these things. In a circle with center O, AB is the diameter, C is the chord, such that ABCD is a trapezium. AB is the diameter, CD is the chord, such that ABCD is a trapezium. In trapezium, these two sides are parallel. In trapezium, bacha, in trapezium, these are the parallel sides, these are non-parallel sides. Angle BAC is 18. If these two sides are parallel, we can find out this angle as well. Okay? If this is 18, we can find out this as well. Sum of these two angles should be 180. Is it really necessary? Let me think the other way. We have to find out CAD. So join this construction. Do this construction. What was given? BAC was given. No? BAC. And they are asking the CAD. Okay. So BAC is given 18. Chalo, great. Diameter subtend 90 degree at the circumference. Diameter subtend 90 degree at the circumference. So, if this is 90, these should also be 90. If this is 18, I think the remaining one is 72 to make it 90. 72. Along with a trapezium, it's a cyclic quadrilateral as well. So if this is 72, this is remaining 108 to make it 180. To make it 180, my dear friends. Okay? What they are asking? They are asking CAD. This. Bacha, this is a trapezium as well. For trapezium, adjacent angles should be 180. For trapezium, adjacent angles should be 180. 90 plus 72 is 162, 18. 108 plus 72, 180. So the remaining angle is 180 minus 108 minus 18. Wow, what a great question. What a great question. How many of you have done it correctly? How many of you have done it correctly? Come on, tell me. Great, 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 great. Yeah, Charlie, you can do in this manner as well. Let this angle is theta. Let this angle is theta. So their sum should be equal to 180. We will say, sir, 108 plus 18 plus theta should be equal to 180. So theta is 180 minus 126, 54. Whatever you do it, I'm with you always. But this derivation, this Charlie, you are saying it after the observation. Na? You are saying it after the observation that this is 108, this is 108. So isoscaline, if this is 72, this is also 72. But till then the problem was already solved. So this observation we can make in the very last, not in the beginning. This observation we can make it in the very last, not in the beginning. Let's move on. stop minute per hour, excluding speed minus including speed upon excluding speed into 60. Khatam. Excluding speed, excluding stoppage 72, including stoppage 60, excluding stoppage 72 into 60. 10 minutes per hour. Cyclic. Okay, just a minute. Any cyclic? Yeah. Any cyclic? Yeah. Only cyclic, bacha. Only cyclic. Yeah. If they are parallel, obviously they will be at the same distance. Any cyclic. In a cyclic trapezium, then it's isoscalian. Clear? Stop minute per hour is excluding minus including upon excluding into 60. Excluding minus including upon excluding into 60. 10 minutes per hour. Expenditure is equal to price into consumption. So change in expenditure, change in price into change in consumption. Expenditure rising by 8% from 100 to 108. Price rising by 17% from 100 to 117. We will get what is the change in consumption. Change in consumption is from 117 to 108. So consumption is changing from 117 to 108. Consumption is changing from 117 to 108. So there is a decrement of 9. Decrement of 9 over 117 into 100. Decrement of 9 over 117 into 100. Okay. Do you want to do some approximations, bacha? Why not assume it 120? So 5 by 6. 45 by 6. 7.5. Now, after doing this assumption, you will say, sir, I increase the numerator, I increase the denominator, so value have decreased. I increase the denominator, so value has decreased. Actually, it should be more than this. So more than 7.5, little bit. If you feel risk, do the complete calculations. If you feel risk, guys, do the complete calculations. Yeah. It's 900 by 117. 117 into 7 is it is 819. It is 819. 819. After 819, 81 is remaining. 81 into 10, 810. 810 is again 820, so 7 times. Extra command over tables. Extra command over tables is required. Clear? Clear? So guys, 5 to 7 minutes more, we would be extending this session. Wow. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Don't think of values, you can't assume. Their product is fraction, their sum is number. You can't assume such values. Go for formula directly. A plus b का whole square minus 3ab. 6 का square 36 minus 3 times of ab. फटाफट. What do you think, guys? If I sit in the examination now, how much would be the marks I would be getting? This is live problem solving, bacha. Live problem solving. Next. Next. Full on full. Let's take a one question. Calculation error. Let's take one question for calculation error. So there is a scope of improvement left. Okay. Positive. Square it once. 7 का square minus 2. Square it once. Oh, it's cube a question. It's a question of cube. So first square it once. Okay. So first square it once. It will become root 7 का square minus 2. 5. Now cube it. A cube minus 3a. First square it once, then cube it. Squaring is a square minus 2 and cubing is a cube minus 3a. Squaring is a square minus 2 and cubing is a cube minus 3a. Next. Non-stop maths. Volume 1 by 3 pi h. Pi, multiple of 11. Multiple of 11. Not. Everything works. When one question was asked from frustum, all were given multiple of 11. That was also exam question and that is also exam question. That was also exam question, and that is also a exam question. So here multiple of 11 is working. In that question it was not working. So wherever it will work, I will get the answer. If it were any marks beyond the level, then you will definitely. No, Putin, it's too high words here. Okay. So obviously there was only one multiple of 11, so we can mark it. Obviously there was only one multiple of 11, so we can mark it. Otherwise 1 by 3 pi h r square plus r square plus r into r. फटाफट. Oh my God. Something I need to look for. Okay, 14, 1 by 3. It was 3. 44 into 13, 572. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. Non-stop maths. Non-stop maths. Divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. How I get 11? Where 11? Multiple of 11. Pi. Because pi is in the formula. Pi was in the formula. Pi means 22 by 7. You can check the multiple of 11. In the formula of Frustum, 1 by 3 pi h r square plus r square plus r into r. Pi means 22 by 7. 22 is 11 into 2. 11 is a prime number. We can check the multiple of 11. Divisible by 11. Alternate plus minus. Alternate plus minus. Alternate plus minus. Alternate plus minus. 7 minus 6, 1. Minus 6. Minus x plus 8. 9 minus 6, 3 minus x should be divisible by 11. X is 3. Alternate plus minus starting from plus. Alternate plus minus starting from plus. Next. Fadafat. Just a 1 minute. 1 minute solving and discussing. Complete in 1 minute. Solving and discussing it. Solving and discussion entirely in 1 minute. For 2 years, difference over principal is r over 100 का whole square. Over. For 2 years, difference over principal is r over 100 का whole square. Difference over principal r over 100 का whole square. For 2 years. 18 by principal is 12 into 12 by 100 into 100. फटाफट. Principal is 15 to 25, 1250. Principal is 15 to 25, 1250. For 2 years, the formula is difference over principal difference over principal is equal to r over 100 का whole square. Next. Oh, I think now guys you're observing what is happening. The next shift has started coming. The next shift has started coming. So the questions of same type are coming. But for how long it will happen, no one knows. So keep on doing. Try to do the innovative method which I have tried in the last. Try to do with the innovative method which I told in the last question. Try to do with the innovative method which I told in the last. That the answer is a smaller value plus the deviation that is 4, and this divide this deviation and find out the value of 23 because it is opposite it. And find out the value of 23 because it is opposite it. So divide 23, the deviation of 4, divide the deviation of 4 in the ratio 23, where total is 45. Over 58 plus 92 by 45, 2 point something only. 2 point very small number. 2 point very small number, yeah? 45 into 2, 90. Then 2, you will make, just a moment. फटाफट को रोकना पड़ेगा. Just a moment बच्चा, फटाफट को रोकना पड़ेगा. %. So this is 23, this is 27. So difference of 4, find out the value of this opposite 23, where total is 50. 58 plus 92 divide by 100, obviously less than 1. Obviously less than 1. So answer is less than, less than 2. Answer is less than 2. Yeah? Answer is less than 2 because this is a divide by 50. This is divide by 50. So less than 2. So answer is less than 60. Fadafat. This is very cool, guys. This is very cool. Divide the deviation, guys, and find out the value of the opposite to 58. Divide the deviation of 4, and find out the value of the value opposite to 58. And find out the value of the ratio opposite to 58. Is it 100% clear to you now? Is it 100% clear to you now? No, if you find out from 62, Putin, you need to subtract. If you find out from 62, bacha, you need to subtract. (62) minus 4 into 27 divide by 50. But if you will do it from 58, you can do the addition. because the overall average is greater than the smaller value and is smaller than the larger value. And is smaller than the larger value. So if you do it with 62 bacha, it is 62 minus, divide the deviation of 4, divide the deviation of 4, find out the value of 27 over 50. 62 minus 108 by 50. So it is 2 times 8. Make it 80. 1 times something like 2.1. So it is 59.8 or 59.8 something. Got it? Shrivani and Mr. Putin. Guys, now can we wind up in the next 5-6 minutes? Should we wind up in the next 5-6 minutes? Yeah, we will try. We will try. फटाफट ABCD. PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. AB is 7. PC is known as what? PC is given as 2. And AP is given as 4. Oh. Question maker is not very meticulous. Question maker is not very meticulous. I hope you might have understood why I said this point. Do you know what is meticulous? Painstaking. AB and CD chords are intersecting. अच्छा, they are inside. अच्छा, चलो, इसका मतलब now I started feeling fatigued. This means I started making fatigued, yeah, because it's my 4th to 5th session. So I should be now ending it, because otherwise my problem solving skills will just gradually decrease 5 to 6%. AB, CD will intersect at point P. Still, PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. What is PA? 4. What is PB? AB is 7, AP is 4, so PB is 3. PA into PB is equal to PC, 2. So what is PD? 6. Okay. PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. Harika, have you done it wrong? I think you have made the use of 7 maybe. Okay. PA is 4, PB, because AB was given 7. So PB is 3 only. PC 2, PD, okay, CD is being asked. Okay, CD is being asked. So CD is PC plus PD. PD is 6, PC is 2, 8. Oh, you were correct. You were correct. Okay. Okay, they are asking the CD. Great. Yeah, we should be calling it a day now because it's being like how much time? Might be teaching for continuously 7 to 8 hours. PD, they are asking the CD. They are asking the CD. Chalo. Okay, only you were correct. Rest others were not correct, na? Good. So this means you are reading the questions carefully. You are reading the questions carefully. They are asking the CD. So it is PC plus PD. It is PC plus PD. 2 plus 6, 8. So guys, as I have decided that we can call it as a day now. We can call it as a day now. Otherwise, yeah, okay. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. We'll see you in the next session. Till then, have a good time, guys. Please do the sharings. Please do the sufficient sharings. Yeah. Please do the sufficient sharings. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. God bless you all, guys. Take care of yourself.